Okay, guys, just a reminder, whenever you do your original design, make sure that when you type out, the name of the band that you're doing, that you also have their logo there at the same time. You want to do both of them at the same time so that as you work through and do all of these effects and are making the composites, that everything's going to flow together. I want to show you a problem that I ran into. That I just forgot and didn't take this into consideration. I decided at the end of the type that, yeah, I wanted to do the logo as well. So here I have all of this work that I've done and I've made into a composite so that I can continue to work and build on it. And here's the logo that I've done, and I'm ready to make a composite of it, right? I've done the smudge and the mixer. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to go ahead and make a quick composite. So here's my composite. There's my work with all of the textures that I've added on top of it. And I want to make this a part of it. So, right, I would need to drag it right on top of it. But as you can see, there it is. And even after I apply, right, all of these textures that I have, nothing changes to this because you recall that this is a composite of all of the work that I did. This right here is a composite of all of the work I did down here, right, within this invisible part that I just made a composite of. So in order to try and make this logo that I have a part of this, I need to add all of this hue and saturation and these gradient maps right here that I added to this fuel, this work that I have right here. So because of the way I worked and I kept it very non-destructive, I can still do that. So I'm going to take name this finished logo work, or just finished logo, and I need to drag it first down right here. I'll turn it on, and there you go, right? All of that same stuff has been applied, except if you remember, I added noise to it as well. So I need to create a composite of this right here and add the same level of noise that I added. So I am going to come right here and create my new composite. Alt Command E. Turn this into a smart object. And filter. Luckily, I remember the amount of noise I added. It was 23, and it's still there, the last thing I applied. So, okay. Logo. All of this logo work that I've now done. And now I should be able to just drop it right here in front. And, that's a little bit up there. So all I need to do is add a layer mask to this and paint out, not with my mixer brush, but with my regular brush, anywhere where it's causing an issue or a problem for me, which is right around there. And now I can turn back on all of my texture work, and it's now a part of my actual design. But in order to avoid this and not have to backtrack and apply and do another composite, not a lot of work, but it's best to do all of the work together at the same time so you don't run into that type of issue.